Welcome back, guys. I hope y'all are having a lovely Friday. It is just a gorgeous fall Friday here in East Tennessee. Like, the leaves have literally went from sort of changing to almost peak. So I've really got to get out somewhere beautiful and walk, which is like everywhere right now. But I'm hoping to do that this weekend, or maybe first of the week, no later than that, because I don't want to miss all these beautiful colors. Y'all, I ordered something today. I got me 4 bird feeders I'm pretty excited about. I got these off Amazon for like $21 for all 4 of them. Because if you go in the store, they're like quadruple the price, literally, in our area they are. And I'm a bird person, and I've been meaning to get some of these platform feeders. I really love these because they're super easy to clean out. A lot of times the other ones don't last as long, and if it rains, like, the seeds will get mildewed inside of there, and then you have to wash them out. And in the wintertime, that can be tricky. So I'm fixing to find a spot to hang these, so let's go do that. I have like a little bird feeding station around this muley grass right here. I really like this area right here. I think this will be a perfect spot for a feeder. Or maybe here, kind of hidden in the tree. They'll probably like the land here because it's kind of more protected. I don't know if I'll be able to see it as good from the window, but I know the birds will like it. They've cleared that one out. Y'all, there's something in there. I can hear it. It's probably a bird. I think I'm gonna switch this one out. I've never really been a huge fan of this one. I don't know, they have been eating out of it a little better than they used to though. And then I'm gonna take the other 2 to the backyard, to my flower garden. And I've just discovered I have a chicken that's out, so I'm gonna have to go chase her back in the fence. Country life struggles. I'm gonna take my hummingbird feeder down because I think the last hummingbirds have left to make their flight across the ocean. They'll be back in the spring, but I don't like to leave them out because I don't want them to freeze up and break in the winter. My neighbor got me this one, and it's really nice because it's got a water container at the top. It keeps ants from getting down into it. This feeder stays very full in the morning, so they kind of fight over this one. So this will be good to have 2 right here. And I do believe that one has been devoured, so let's dump it out. Oh, she's coming up here. I'm gonna have to go get her back in the fence. Okay, let's go do that. Fun, fun. I'll have to get like a rake, corral her. She'll probably run from me. I probably need to clip their wings. And they don't get out much. It's just once in a really great while. And the best thing to do is just clip one of their wings. It gets them off balance and they won't do these shenanigans. What are you doing out here? You're not supposed to be out here. It's not safe for you, especially at night. She won't survive at night out here. There's critters. Okay, y'all fussing? You wanting her back in? Now you all stay here. No, 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 no. Go on. Stay. No, do not go up the hill. I have to make a wide circle around her. Go on. Get back in there. Go. Go back. Nope. You don't want to stay out here. It's not protected at night. Go on. Go. She's about made it. There she goes. Oh, she's back. Okay, let's go fill their bowls up. Is their bowls empty? That's probably why she got out. Her bowl was empty. Nobody wants an empty snack bowl. All right, let's go get them some food. I keep their food up here in a garbage can. They know where it's at. All right, chickens, here you go. Nope, you're not going back out. My goodness. something else. All right, let's check eggs. While I'm down here, one, I'm gonna put it in my scooper here. Oh goodness. Okay. 4, 5, 6, and I'm gonna be honest, this is 2 days worth because last night I got lazy and didn't come down here. That is pretty awesome. All right, so back to the feeders. I'm gonna take this one down because I don't like this one. It just gets clogged up and it doesn't work very good. The food always got mildewed inside of there and just clumped up, so I'm done with that one. We're gonna hang this one and take my hummingbird feeder down on this post. Probably bring my little green feeder that was in the front yard down here. All right, I gotta give the greenhouse a drink.